This is the information security awareness area in the learning path, and you have three modules to look at. Module 1 is the introduction to information security awareness. Here we talk about what is information, where all can we find information. Then we talk about information security. What are the pillars of information security? How does it get compromised? What are the sources of threat? And then finally, we will talk about how breaches can happen. And if breaches happen, then what are the consequences? This module actually lays the foundation for learning in the area of information security awareness, primarily aimed at end users who use computers but are not information technology professionals. Then we move on to module 2, where we look at internet and allied security. So here primarily we will look at internet based security, email security, social engineering security, password security, etc. Now when we use the net, we are always exposed to threat avenues. How do we protect ourselves and our computers from the threats posed by internet? When we look at email security, every time we open an email, there are n number of mails which come from unknown sources. What do we do with such mails? And then many of these mails contain links and ask you to click to see something interesting or tell you about some important lottery win that you may have had. How do you treat these things? Finally, when you move on to password security, it's a constant challenge. In today's world, we are using multiple applications, scores of applications. You cannot remember so many passwords securely. So what people may end up doing is noting them down somewhere or using the same password everywhere. What is the solution to this? None of these are safe tactics. So in that module 2, we learn about these things. And then in module 3, we learn about physical security. How do we protect the physical security of the environment we are in? Security for mobile devices like mobile phones, tablets, etc. And removable media security. All in all, once you have gone through all these three modules, as an end user, you will be well aware that how you can protect your computer from the threat, whether it's a laptop or desktop, whatever, or your mobile device. And in the process, safeguard your organization, because threats, when they come in, they just don't stay confined to one computer. They keep replicating, pervading all other systems on the network, and that's where you need to protect yourselves and your organization's information security. Thank you.